Yeah.
That's faster. Like, I put it on like the slowest.
It's Isabel's first swing ride.
Wow. We're going to King's Dominion tomorrow.
It's really going fast. She was asleep. Now she's pondering on throwing up.
Whoa. This is crazy, man.
The contraptions that they have these days. What do you think, Belly Bell? What do you think? Ooh. Ooh. I'm in between lamb.
That's supposed to be the lamb mouth.
I don't know.
At the bottom.
It's debatable. Hi, cutie pie.
Oh, I like it. Kind of.
Don't know what to think, huh?
What are you doing? She's like, oh, this is weird, but I like it.
What do you think? Huh?
She's gonna have to hide my face.
Passing out.
Full tummy, clean hiney, good swing.